Starting a ketogenic, keto, diet for weight loss involves significantly reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your consumption of fats. This shift in macronutrient balance puts your body into a state of ketosis, where it starts using fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Here's a full plan to help you get started on a keto diet for weight loss. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about how to start a keto diet for weight loss, full plan. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Research and understanding. Before beginning any diet, including keto, it's important to understand the principles behind it. Research the keto diet, learn about macronutrients, and familiarize yourself with the types of foods that are allowed and restricted. Learn about the basics of the keto diet. Understand that the primary goal of the keto diet is to enter a state of ketosis, where your body uses fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Study the science behind ketosis. Research how carbohydrate restriction forces the body to produce ketones, which are an alternative energy source. Explore potential benefits and drawbacks. Understand that while the keto diet can aid weight loss, it might not suit everyone due to its restrictive nature. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Schedule an appointment. Visit a healthcare provider, such as a doctor or dietitian, to discuss your intention to start a keto diet. Share your medical history. Provide information about any existing health conditions, medications, allergies, or concerns you have. Seek personalized advice. Receive guidance on whether the keto diet is suitable for you and any modifications you might need to make. Calculate macronutrient ratios. The standard macronutrient ratios for a keto diet are approximately 70 to 75% of calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Use an online keto calculator to determine your specific daily macronutrient targets based on your age, weight, height, activity level, and goals. Determine your daily caloric needs. Calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, using online calculators that consider your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. Calculate macro ratios. Based on your TDEE, calculate the grams of fat, protein, and carbohydrates you need per day. For instance, if you need 1,800 calories per day and aim for 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs, that would be 1,400 calories from fat, 450 calories from protein, and 90 calories from carbs. Plan your meals. Create a weekly meal plan that includes keto-friendly recipes and snacks. Focus on whole foods such as meats, poultry, fish, eggs, non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and dairy products like cheese and Greek yogurt. Avoid or limit foods high in carbohydrates like grains, starchy vegetables, sugary fruits, and most processed foods. Create a weekly meal plan. Design a variety of meals that fit your macro ratios and calorie goals. Include diverse foods. Plan meals around fatty sources like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and lean protein sources like meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Incorporate non-starchy vegetables for fiber and nutrients. Plan for snacks. Choose keto-friendly snacks like cheese, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, or sliced vegetables with dips. Stock up on keto foods. Clear your pantry of high-carb items and stock up on keto-friendly foods. This will help you avoid temptations and make it easier to stick to your plan. Make a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, create a comprehensive shopping list of keto-approved foods. Clear out non-keto items. Remove high-carb foods from your kitchen to avoid temptation. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's adjustment to the keto diet. Drink water regularly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and support your body's adjustment to ketosis. Monitor electrolytes. When transitioning to a keto diet, your body may excrete more electrolytes, leading to potential imbalances. To counter this, ensure you're getting enough sodium, potassium, and magnesium. You can do this through food sources or supplements if necessary. Ensure sufficient sodium intake. Add table salt to your meals or consume broth to maintain sodium levels. Consume potassium-rich foods. Incorporate foods like avocados, spinach, and mushrooms for potassium. Include magnesium sources. Consider adding nuts, seeds, dark leafy greens, and magnesium supplements if necessary. Prepare for the keto flu. In the first few days or weeks of starting keto, some people experience keto flu symptoms, which can include fatigue, headache, dizziness, and irritability. These symptoms are usually temporary and can be alleviated by staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance. Be aware of keto flu symptoms. Understand that fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps might occur during the first few days as your body adapts. Manage symptoms, stay hydrated, maintain electrolyte balance, and be patient as these symptoms are usually temporary. Track your food intake. Consider using a food tracking app to log your daily meals and ensure you're meeting your macronutrient goals. This will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments if needed. Use a food tracking app. Download an app to log your meals and monitor your macronutrient intake. Stay within your limits. Track your progress toward your daily fat, protein, and carb goals. Be mindful of portion sizes. Even on a keto diet, portion control matters. Consuming too many calories, even from keto-approved foods, can hinder weight loss. Measure portions. Use kitchen scales or measuring cups to accurately portion your food. Avoid overeating. Even keto-friendly foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.